si ndio hii. Guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. Yeah, if you're new here, karibu sana. If you're returning back, karibu tena sana, and feel at home once again. Guys, karibuni tena sana. So welcome back to yet another interesting video. Yeah, so guys, here we started our day at lunchtime. Yeah, so this is lunch. We are eating lunch here. Yeah, we are also vibing with the baby. Yeah. I know my baby, he was asking me, he was telling me, he was seeing my shadow at the back, and he was telling me like, "Mom, do." In other words, I guess he was saying monster. I told him that is not Dudu, it's you, yani it's your shadow. Yeah, so actually I didn't know how to tell him, like I didn't know what to explain to him, what is that, but I told him that is not a Dudu, that is a shadow, that is him, so that he cannot be scared. Yeah, and at least I guess he learned something there. Yeah, so guys, keep enjoying the video, keep watching. Yeah, and so today I just want to show you how I scrub my sufurias, that is my pots. Yeah, I just want to show you how I scrub them. Yeah, and hope you're going to learn something, to be motivated, yeah, and to enjoy. So guys, stay tuned. Yeah, and let's get to the video. Guys, if you've not yet subscribed, make sure you like, you comment down below, you subscribe, yeah, and also share. Guys, here are my dishes. Yeah, so guys, today I'm just going to show you on how to sparkling clean your sufurias. Yeah, so these are my dishes, and I didn't wash my dishes since morning. Yeah, this is the high time that I want to wash these dishes. Yeah, and so hope you stay tuned, get to have the tips that how you're going to wash your sufurias to a sparkling clean sufuria. Yeah, so I'm going to show you first what I'm going to do. I'm going to wash these dishes. Yeah, and actually we don't have running water. What? Hello? We don't have any running water, so we are just going to use the water that we have. Yeah, and we are good to go. So guys, stay tuned. Hope you're enjoying my videos, and make sure you subscribe if you've not yet subscribed and you're watching. This is the high time that you need to consider subscribing. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. Yeah, so guys, let's get to the video and let me show you on tips. So guys, I've already washed my dishes. I'm now finishing up. So I want to wash the pots, that is the sufurias. And before I wash them, I'll first remove all the dirt inside the pots. Then after that, as I am removing the dirt, my water is heating up. And as my water is heating up, because I usually wash my sufurias, my pots, with hot water, like not that hot but warm water, because when you use hot water, the surface of the sufurias are going to be smooth, and you're not going to use a lot of energy while scrubbing your sufurias. Yeah, so guys, hope you're enjoying my video. Yeah, and also I'm using a morning soap, that is the utensils morning soap. Yeah, the liquid form soap, and also the bar soap, the jama soap, that is, yeah. And the liquid form, I'm using Nuru. Yeah, so guys, keep enjoying the video. Yeah, and by the way, shout out to my friend Mom Joy. Yeah, she's the one who, like, I learned this from her. I didn't know, and I know she's my #1 fan. Mom Joy, shout out, and hope you're enjoying my video. Thank you guys. So guys, keep on watching, enjoy my videos. Yeah, and hope you're going to be motivated. So guys, here I've changed the water. Yeah, now I'm using the hot water, but not that hot, but it's warm. Yeah, so I'm using the warm water. Yeah, and I'm going to scrub my sufuria now. Guys, hope you're being motivated, you're learning something. Yeah.